Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining eye health is more crucial than ever. With increasing screen time and environmental stressors, many are seeking natural solutions to enhance their vision. This video explores the fascinating world of herbal health plants that can support eye health and improve vision. Join us as we explore remarkable herbal remedies, each offering unique benefits for eye health. Discover how these natural wonders can help you protect your vision and promote overall well-being, inviting you to embrace a holistic approach to eye care. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Check out our related content for more health tips. Your engagement enables us to continue providing valuable information and tips for a healthier life. I appreciate your support.
Chuan. Bilberry. Bilberry, a powerhouse for eye health, is packed with antioxidants that support optimal eye function.
These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, protecting the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Notably, bilberry has been linked to improved night vision, making it a valuable ally for those who struggle in low-light conditions. Traditionally, bilberry has been used to treat eye strain, offering relief to individuals who spend long hours in front of screens or engage in visually demanding tasks. The best part? Incorporating bilberry into your diet can be a natural and straightforward way to enhance your eye health, giving you the power to take control of your vision.
2. Eyebright. Eyebright is renowned for its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for eye care.
This herb has been traditionally used to relieve eye irritation and redness, providing soothing relief for those suffering from allergies or fatigue. Its gentle yet effective nature helps calm inflamed tissues, promoting overall eye comfort. Historically significant in herbal medicine, eyebright has been utilized for centuries to support eye health and treat various ocular conditions. Incorporating eyebright into your wellness routine can enhance your eye care regimen and contribute to clearer, more comfortable vision. 3. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is renowned for its ability to enhance vision by improving blood circulation to the eyes. By increasing blood flow, this herb ensures that essential nutrients reach the ocular tissues, promoting overall eye health. Studies have linked ginkgo biloba to a reduced risk of age-related vision issues, such as macular degeneration and glaucoma, making it a valuable addition to eye care. Additionally, its potent antioxidant properties help protect the eyes from oxidative stress, further safeguarding against potential damage. Incorporating ginkgo biloba into your routine can support long-term vision health, giving you the confidence that you're making a wise investment in your eye health. 4. Carrot. Carrots are a powerhouse for eye health, primarily due to their high beta-carotene content, which the body converts into vitamin A. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining good vision and overall eye function. Consuming carrots can help prevent night blindness, a condition caused by a deficiency in vitamin A, allowing for better vision in low-light conditions. To enjoy the benefits of carrots, consider incorporating them into your diet through creative methods, such as adding them to salads, blending them into smoothies, or roasting them as a delicious side dish. 5. Spinach. This nutritional powerhouse for eye health is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, essential for maintaining healthy eyes. These two antioxidants play a vital role in protecting the eyes from harmful light and oxidative stress. The ease of incorporating spinach into your meals, such as adding it to smoothies or salads, makes it a delicious and convenient way to enhance your eye care routine. 6. Kale. This nutrient-dense leafy green offers impressive benefits for eye health. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, kale supports optimal vision function. Its delicious taste when added to smoothies or salads makes it a delightful way to enhance your eye health and overall well-being. 7. Goji berries. Goji berries are a vibrant superfood known for their high levels of antioxidants and essential vitamins, particularly vitamins A and C, which are crucial for maintaining healthy vision. Traditionally used in Chinese medicine, goji berries have been celebrated for their ability to improve eyesight and protect against age-related eye issues. Incorporating goji berries into your diet is simple and delicious. Add them to trail mixes, sprinkle them on oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies for a nutritious snack. Enjoying goji berries regularly can contribute to enhanced eye health and overall vitality. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful spice renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can significantly benefit eye health. The active compound, curcumin, helps reduce inflammation in the eyes, potentially alleviating conditions such as dry eye syndrome and uveitis. Additionally, turmeric may play a role in preventing age-related eye diseases, including macular degeneration and cataracts, by combating oxidative stress. To incorporate turmeric into your daily meals, consider adding it to soups, stews, or curries, or mixing it into smoothies and golden milk for a flavorful and health-boosting addition to your diet. 9. Fennel. Fennel is a versatile herb known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe and support eye health. Its natural compounds help reduce inflammation, providing relief for irritated or tired eyes. Additionally, fennel can help alleviate eye fatigue, making it a great addition to your diet, especially for those who spend long hours in front of screens. To incorporate fennel into your cooking, try adding it to salads for a crunchy texture, roasting it as a flavorful side dish, or using fennel seeds in spice blends to enhance the taste of various dishes. 10. Chamomile. Chamomile is well known for its soothing properties, particularly for eye health. Its anti-inflammatory and calming properties make it an excellent choice for alleviating discomfort and irritation. Drinking chamomile tea can help relieve eye strain, providing a gentle way to relax tired eyes after a long day. Additionally, chamomile can be used in eye compresses to soothe irritated eyes, reducing redness and puffiness. Simply steep chamomile tea bags, let them cool and place them over your closed eyes for a refreshing and calming treatment that promotes overall eye comfort. 11. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing properties, making it an excellent remedy for irritated eyes. Its natural anti-inflammatory effects can help alleviate discomfort and redness, providing relief for those suffering from allergies or fatigue. Aloe vera can also be used in eye drops to hydrate and refresh dry eyes, promoting overall eye health. When using aloe vera gel, ensure it is pure and free from additives. Apply a small amount around the eyes or mix it with distilled water for homemade eye drops, taking care to avoid direct contact with the eyeball for safety. 12. Black currant. Black currant is a nutrient-rich fruit celebrated for its high vitamin C and anthocyanin content, both of which are beneficial for eye health. These powerful antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and may improve night vision, making it easier to see in low-light conditions. To enjoy black currants in your diet, consider adding fresh or frozen black currants to smoothies for a delicious and nutritious boost. Blend them with yogurt, bananas, and a splash of almond milk for a refreshing drink that supports your vision and overall well-being. 13. Basil. Basil is not only a flavorful herb, but also offers significant eye health benefits due to its rich antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, promoting overall eye health. Additionally, basil can help reduce eye strain, making it a great addition to your diet for those who spend long hours in front of screens. To incorporate basil into your meals, consider adding fresh basil to salads, blending it into pesto, or using it as a garnish for soups and pasta dishes, enhancing both flavor and nutrition. 14. Dandelion. Dandelion is a nutrient-rich plant that offers numerous benefits for eye health. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants, dandelion supports optimal vision and helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Traditionally, dandelion has been used in herbal remedies to treat various eye conditions, promoting overall ocular wellness. To incorporate dandelion greens into your meals, consider adding them to salads for a peppery flavor, sautéing them with garlic as a nutritious side dish, or blending them into smoothies for an extra health boost. Embracing dandelion can naturally enhance your eye care routine. 15. Nettle. Nettle is a powerhouse for eye health, primarily due to its high vitamin A content, which is essential for maintaining good vision. This nutrient helps support the retina and overall eye function, promoting clearer sight. Additionally, nettle possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the eyes, providing relief for individuals suffering from conditions such as allergies or irritation. To enjoy nettle, consider brewing it into a soothing tea or adding fresh or dried nettle leaves to soups for a nutritious boost. Incorporating nettle into your diet can significantly enhance your eye health. 16. Rosemary. Rosemary is a fragrant herb known for its impressive vision-enhancing properties, primarily due to its rich antioxidant content. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals, promoting overall eye health. Additionally, rosemary can improve circulation to the eyes, ensuring that essential nutrients reach the ocular tissues for optimal function. To incorporate rosemary into your cooking, try adding fresh or dried rosemary to roasted vegetables, seasoning meats, or infusing it into olive oil for a flavorful dressing. Embracing rosemary in your meals can deliciously support your eye health. 17. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a soothing herb renowned for its calming effects, making it an ideal choice for alleviating eye strain. Its gentle properties help reduce tension and discomfort, particularly for those who spend long hours in front of screens. Lemon balm is often used in herbal teas, providing a relaxing beverage that can ease stress and promote overall well-being. To incorporate lemon balm into your recipes, consider adding fresh leaves to salads, blending them into smoothies, or using them to infuse flavor into desserts. Embracing lemon balm can enhance your eye care routine while promoting relaxation and well-being. 18. Hawthorn. Hawthorn is a remarkable herb recognized for its ability to enhance blood flow, a vital factor in maintaining optimal eye health. Enhanced circulation ensures that the eyes receive the necessary nutrients and oxygen, promoting overall vision function. Additionally, hawthorn may help address age-related vision issues, such as macular degeneration, by supporting the health of blood vessels in the eyes. To incorporate hawthorn into your herbal preparations, consider brewing it into a tea, using hawthorn extract in tinctures, or adding dried hawthorn berries to smoothies for a nutritious boost. Embracing hawthorn can significantly benefit your eye care regimen. 19. Moringa. Moringa is a nutrient-dense superfood that offers impressive vision-enhancing properties and is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for maintaining eye health. These nutrients help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and support overall vision function. Additionally, moringa has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the eyes, providing relief from discomfort. To incorporate moringa into your meals, consider adding moringa powder to smoothies, mixing it into soups, or using fresh moringa leaves in salads or stir-fries. Embracing moringa can significantly enhance your eye health and overall well-being. Incorporating herbal plants into your diet is essential for maintaining and enhancing eye health. From bilberry and ginkgo biloba to kale and moringa, each of these natural remedies offers unique benefits that can support vision and reduce eye strain. We encourage you to explore these herbal options and consider incorporating them into your daily routine for enhanced eye care. If you found this video informative, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, let's promote natural ways to protect and enhance our vision.